Naghahanap ka ba ng mala AirPods pero hindi masakit sa bulsa? Pangit ba o sulit tong earphones na to? Alamin natin ngayon. Today, i-review natin itong Haylou GT6 TWS Earbuds. Maraming salamat Haylou sa pagpadala nitong gadget na to para ma-review natin. Pero bago tayo magsimula, sponsor time muna tayo. Si TECHY Offers is offering a big sale this November. Grab up to 30% discount on Windows 10 license keys. Just simply use the exclusive discount code DUDE20 which will give you a bigger discount. Instead of the regular 20% discount, it will be a 30% discount for a limited time only, starting this November 1st until November 30, 2021. Next, select your payment gateway. Once done paying, you should be able to immediately receive the key and be able to activate it genuinely via online activation on your Windows 10 installation. Going back, may dalawang color variations itong wireless earbuds nito. Black tapos white tulad nito. It has a white matte finish dito sa charging case niya with a Haylou embossed on the front of the charging case.
Wow!
You know, I love how that looks and how careful the case was designed. I noticed na walang ibang text dito sa external part ng charging case niya, except dun sa embossed logo dito sa front face ng charging case niya, which is the Haylou logo. Nilagay nila yung text sa loob ng charging case, which was brilliant for me. As for the charging port is placed on the right side of the case, para hindi siya masyadong distracting pagdating dito sa front view or sa basically siguro para sa design niya. As for the earbuds, they aesthetically look similar to AirPods. Initially, you might think, baka imitation lang to. So usually, ang first impression mo is pangit yung headphones or pangit yung audio quality niya kasi imitation lang. Well, we'll talk about that later. Kikita mo dito na nandito nakalagay dito sa baba yung microphone nitong earphones na to. And of course, yung charging point na nandito sa side ng earphones, and of course, the earphones itself. And also, meron rin siyang maliit na indicator dito sa gilid niya. And we can trigger that if we put it back on the case. Hopefully you could see it right here na mayroong pulang ilaw, and ngayon medyo light na siya. That means it's already fully charged, and once we remove it on the case, it should immediately start blinking like that. And as you can see here, meron siyang maliit na touch icon right here. Basically, dito yung touch feature niya. So whenever you touch this one, it should trigger a action or a function on the earphone. One earbud weighs 4.6 grams, so that's fairly lightweight, lalo na kapag gamit mo siya pang matagalan. As for my observations, first thing na na-observe ko is wala siyang kasamang charging connector. I don't know kung sa pinadala lang nila to sa akin, but even looking at the package list, which should list all the stuff that's included on this box, wala talagang kasamang charging cable. It only includes earbuds, charging case, and also the user manual. Although that's not a big deal for me kasi meron naman akong Type-C connector, but it might be worth noting para sa may mga gustong bumili nito. Hopefully meron kayong Type-C connector para ma-charge nitong Haylou GT6. Pagdating naman sa audio quality, to be honest, I did not expect anything kasi I thought it will just sound cheap, but upon testing it, maganda pala ang audio quality nito. You'll enjoy listening to music or while gaming at malinaw rin yung voice kapag nasa audio call ka. To test it further, I tried maxing out the lower frequencies para masubukan ko kung tutunog basag ba ito kapag masyadong malalim na ang bass. Well, it turns out, swabing-swabe pa rin ang tunog nito. Hindi nagtunog basag yung audio niya kahit na nakamax out na yung lower frequencies including yung bass, playing at the loudest volume. Pansin ko rin na comfortable gamitin tong earphones na to, and I also tried playing while using these earphones at hindi masakit sa tenga even used for long periods of time. I think one thing na maninibago ka is most likely about dun sa audio prompts nitong earphones na to. Nasubukan ko ang ibang models ng Plextone, Wavefun at even Soundpits, and usually may voice prompt siya, but dito sa Haylou GT6 you'll be only hearing a beep pattern. Although you can get used to it naman over time. I think they really opted out for voice prompts para ma-align dun sa overall minimalist design nitong product, not only externally but also feature-wise.
Maikling audio test lang sa mic quality nitong Haylou GT6 while connected dito sa mobile phone ko. Minikaniko ng mekaniko ni Monico ang makina ng minika ni Monica.
Alright, for my final verdict, I believe this Haylou GT6 is worth its price. Magandang audio quality niya, magian, sleek at minimalist yung design niya. At matagalan rin ang runtime niya. For typical usage, it lasts around 2 to 5 hours bago siya malobat. The mic quality of this TWS earbuds is also decent and way better than other wireless earbuds na na-review ko na at the same price bracket. Given its price, meron rin siyang low latency mode para sa mga gamers dyan, so you'll appreciate that feature. Although no gadget is perfect, it also has its room for improvement. I believe that the beeping sounds for the disconnected or pairing or connected is quite confusing and requires some time to get used to. Hindi siya ganun kadaling matandaan, especially if nasanay ka na dun sa Alexa sounding voice na nagsasalita ng
connected
kapag kumukonect ka sa devices o
pairing
kapag naghahanap ka pa ng devices to connect sa earbuds mo. Also, I think the charging cable kahit maikli lang should also have been included para dun sa mga walang Type-C connector, matcha-charge nyo rin yung case niya without the need to buy another charging cable. Nga pala, before ako magtapos is I also noticed that when putting back the earphones back on the case, you can actually interchange the left and right earbuds and minsan pumapasok siya, so it's quite difficult to know kung baliktad siya up until na i-close mo na siya, because if baliktad siya, you cannot actually close the case but it sits properly on the charging case kahit na baliktad mo yung left and right. So yeah, I think that's some design flaw that could still be improved in the future. But overall speaking, I like the GT6 TWS earbuds ni Haylou. It feels expensive and para sa akin pinag-isipan talaga yung design, physically and feature-wise nitong product na to. Because sabihin nga, simplicity is beauty. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I managed to give you insights about the unboxing and review of Haylou GT6 TWS earbuds. Feel free to leave your comments and feedbacks down below. At syempre ending na, so kung nakarating ka na dito, hit mo na yung subscribe button, matik na yan. As always, it's your Tech Dude here. See you in my next videos.